here. I have to, dude. Hello, Katie.
Yeah, what's up?
Where are we going?
We're going to Spain.
Why are we going to Spain?
For Gabriel's wedding.
Oh, this is my mom.
It's Newark Airport, baby.
She complains about me not putting my family in the vlog.
Hi.
What are you most excited for, Grace? You're walking farther away.
Drinking wine.
I can't put that. Katie, what are you most excited for since you're underage?
I'm not underage in Spain. We have to just,
what are you most excited for?
Sleeping and eating and seeing my family.
Hiking, there's mountains.
I can't hike, but sure.
This is awkward now.
I'm excited that we are going to have a family vacation for the first time in 3 years.
Sappy. That doesn't sell on YouTube.
Sorry.
Hi, Grace.
Hi, Charlie.
Are you still in the United States?
We are not still in the United States. We're in Spain.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, welcome back to the vlog. We're in Malaga, España, in a Airbnb that shall remain nameless, so that my 126 followers can't find me. That's a mountain and a city. It's a fantastic view. This food is from the aeropuerto. Very solid. Que mas? Oh, they speak Spanish here, so I'll be practicing my Spanish for the vlog.
We don't know anything about.
Those are oranges.
There's a lot of stairs.
It's in the south of Spain. Picasso used to live here.
Picasso was born here.
Picasso was born here. Signing off for now. Peace, baby. There's gonna be a full and complete review of the porch orange. Okay, this is in a word, not bad.
It's 2 words.
Kate, do you want a porch orange?
Do you want a porch orange?
Very good.
Very good.
Delicious.
Delicious.
So good.
Really good? That's kind of a weak sauce bite, Katie. We're gonna go to El Bicho pretty soon. What's up?
What's up?
Alright, friends, we're heading out to El Bicho, aka beach, if you don't speak Spanish. And, gonna take a little walk-har. This is known as either the Texas sidewalk or the Spanish street. To each their own. still, this view doesn't get old. But basically, the sitch is, I probably could drop my camera right now. Anyway, the situation is, we're in Europe, so literally nowhere opens until 8 o'clock or ocho. So, as very jet-lagged people who got 2 hours of sleep last night, we can't do that. So we're making our own comida tonight. But, gonna say adios a la vlog, and go eat dinner and go to bed, and we'll see you tomorrow for hopefully another vlog, or I'll combine stuff, I don't know. Anyway, I'm in freaking Spain now, dude. See ya, baby.